The adverb
很
modifies the adjective that follows it.
很
Means very when it is stressed or emphasized in the sentence. This emphasis is given by the speaker and often determined by context. In most cases, however,
很
is not emphasized. It is used with an adjective because using adjectives without a modifier implies comparison, and the listener would expect a comparison. For example, the sentence
你不忙，我忙。
implies comparison between you and me. However, to simply state I am busy without implying comparison
很
is used.
我很忙。
When the adverbs
也
and
很
appear in the same sentence,
也
precedes
很